This is called the Dahlia collection. This is inspired by the Dahlia flower. The flower itself, all the petals are so tightly connected, and this collection is all about connection and support. It's a deconstructed dahlia, so we took one of the petals and the shape of the petal and took that as the inspiration. So you can see the shape of the pieces are very similar to the petals of the flower.
So intricate.
Do you want to try this on?
Yes, please. Okay.